Well, hello, you trader nerds. It has been a long time since I have traded in my underwear, and I have got my little spiffy tidy whities on right now and sitting in my t shirt, and I am doing well. And only because I had to speak to a group today, and that shirt was a little too taut on my belly, and I was about to blow a button off that thing. So I am relaxed and sitting back and ready to play pickleball tomorrow. If y'all ain't played pickleball, friend, let me tell you something. You are missing out on something. That is a fun game. It's kind of like you take tennis and dumb it down, and then you take ping pong and you kind of rev it up. And you can play with old people, and it's you can volley back and forth. It's just fun. Me and my mama's doing it together, and I'm just having a time. So look at this, y'all. The market was a going down, and then it comes to this little line here, and it said, "Wait a minute, Bobby's got a line on the chart here, so we got to bounce off that and come back up." So now we're at the overnight lows. Oh, behave. We're down 0.27%, down 13 points. We've got a little elevated volume here, and the AD has been going up, up, and up, and the VIX is in the 17 handles now. So let's see what the old big green monster's saying. Yeah, here's where I looked at bonds yesterday. See what I'm saying? Bonds are happy today, though. It's like, but here's what I've been telling you about the bonds, y'all. The bonds does not see a rate cut coming. When rates are up, bonds go down. It sees maybe even a rate cut this year is what I'm seeing. So let's see what but you can't say that because that would interfere with the election. And God knows we can't let Pop-Up Joe, we can't let him, lose because we crashed the economy. So we'll wait till after Trump is elected president, and then we'll crash it. So that's what they're doing. And hell, they ain't even going to let him go see his son's graduation. If I was him, I'd say, you know what? You arrest me, fool. I'm going to see my kid graduate. There's no way that a judge would keep me from seeing my kid graduating. It's not like he's murdered anybody. Unbelievable. So, y'all, here's what happened. Look at this. We knew this was going to be an inflection point. You know where the inflection points are. We don't know how this works. This is an anomaly that was found by a Mr. Blake Young, and I draw it to the best of my ability. And we drew this 17 days ago, and we knew that we would have support and resistance right here. So now it's support, and we're coming back up. We are oversold for the fair value zone above us, and we would anticipate over the next 10 days that we're going to fill this area right here. That's what we're feeling because we are oversold. Okay, it's kind of what we got to look at. So we think that let's look at the linear regression, as we say in Alabama, and see what linear regression looks like. Let's see, where's linear regression? Where did I keep this stuff at? Here we go. Linear regression looks like this. Low behave. Look at what Sweet Bobby has drawn, and look what's happening, y'all. We said that we consolidated, and then we anticipated that we had started a down channel, and indeed we have now gone outside of that down channel. So this kind of says, hey, we're still going downward, but we might go upward first in the downward progression. Overall trend is up, but we are in a little bit of a downtrend right now that has just started, 10 days ago or so? So just deal with it. We got to just deal with it. So let's see how our mega account's doing today. Let me see if I can see how much money we got in this account. Again, we did add $100,000 to this account. So let's see what our balance is today. We are at, and I hope y'all are doing good in this. We've not been tested in a while, and it's kind of good to see these little tests in the thing. So we're at 280, 400, 280, 410, 280, 410. Let's put that in. 280, 410. 280, 410. You're sitting there going, Bobby, you're down a bunch of money now. Look at this. You're down 4,200. But y'all, we've not taken a loss on any position yet. We have not taken a loss on anything. So today is the 17th, 24. So we're still holding positions. We're just ready for the theta to come out of them, right? And that's what we're ready to happen. So let's go see what's happening over here with our Greeks and ratios. So with our Greeks and ratios, we are at, let's make sure we're on the right one. Can't believe that's got negative theta in it. Let's see. Oh, I got negative theta. That doesn't look right at all. All right, here we go. So we are at 507 deltas, rough, and negative 43 theta. Are you kidding me? 507, negative 43. Wow, I don't like that at all. 507, negative 43. What is this? And we are at 17 fixed, and our buying power is, let's see, positions. Make sure that's all I got up here. So we are at what, 130,000? Okay. So we're at 46%. And let's see if any of our stuff has any of our GTC orders has failed. Let's see that. Let's go to activity. Now, y'all, you got to do this little thing here. Do field, but then you got to move this because it gets hung if you hadn't done it. So day orders from the last 7 days. So we have not. So we did sell a future on the micros, didn't we? How's that thing doing? Let's see how our future is doing. Let's see. We are at, there's my future contract -1. Hey, I'm up $80 on that. Praise the Lord. So let's see what we can do here. Let's see if let's see how our let's see if we can look at our let's see how's our P&L looking here. Oh my gosh, y'all, we are in the I started to say we were in the profit zone. We're not. This has to be because of that little short thingamajiggy that we got, but that's not right. We're not losing $22,000 if the market goes down. We still got to get someone on here, but look at this, y'all. We get the big old profits if we go down a little bit more, but we're not into the things yet, are we? So let's see, and let's just see how we're doing here. Let's see positions, and let's see if we can take anything off. I don't know why we got negative theta, though. Let's see how many things we got on here. We've got 108 short hedges. We've got 193 long hedges. And it's our total hedges have cost us a negative number as a cost. So 1,032. Huh, that's interesting that we got negative theta. But remember, Ron Bertino tells us this is negative theta. So let's look at our trades. Now, here's what you can do also. If you just want to see your naked puts, what's this, y'all? Go over here to strategy and say you just want to see your nakeds. Everybody see that? And that'll just show us our nakeds. So our youngest puts that we have are the negative, is the naked put 15s, 4,100. Let's just see if they're profitable yet. Naked puts 15. Let's see. NP 15 is what I'm looking for. NP 15. Look at this. We're up $105 on the day. We're up 49.5%. You know, I mean, I just don't think that's where I want to take something off at. You know, I just don't see that as something that I want to take off. Let's see what else we got here. You wouldn't think anything else. Yeah, these are 4250s that we put on 222. So nothing is at a point where it says we ought to automatically close it. So I think what I'm just going to do is maybe get these deltas down just a little bit more. I think we're just a little bit more. Let's see how many deltas we've got here. It says we need 86 negative deltas. Why don't we sell one more future? I don't like doing it. I really don't. But let's just do it. Let's put on one more future. So you're saying, wait a minute, Bob, what are you doing? Well, if you want to get negative 50 futures or negative 50 deltas quick, go to MES, right? And you're going to click on the, what is it, the bid, right? For you short a future. Everybody see that? Now watch what happens. This will automatically go down by 50 points. What's this? We're going to sell a future, just one. See that? We went down like 50 points. That gets you negative. So now we're 467. Now it has,
Bobby,
yeah.
hey, I've been doing a zebra now instead of just selling the future because of the limited upside risk. Something you might want to look into. It's simple, and you get the same thing. You get, instead of 50, you get maybe 45 negative deltas.
Now explain
But
the zebra to us, because I know it's
it,
zero extrinsic
yeah,
something.
it's easy. It's super easy. You go to, I don't know, maybe I did one today at 64 the DTE.
Uh-huh. And you did it in the macros?
Yeah, micros, yeah.
Okay, let's
So
look
just
at
go,
it.
yeah. So you put a sell one at 50 delta at the money one,
Okay.
yeah, and then go up to around with you would be down. I'm sorry, yours is upside, mine is upside down. So go to around 65 to 70 delta. So
Uh-huh.
go further,
Right here.
yeah, and then sell and buy two.
By two. Here?
Yeah, yeah. Well, no, a little more down or up, whatever you call it, up in the value, down. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, go one more. You want to do. You want to look at the extrinsic value be as close to zero as you can down at the bottom left. So yeah, no, right there somewhere. I don't know why extrinsic value is not. Put two. Just put two.
There we go.
Yeah. And is this two? Yeah, two from. Okay, so you're 210. So you can go. No, go to 68 delta maybe. 53.
There we go.
See, yeah, there you go. Around 40, 41. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
right there.
Uh-huh.
Right. And so you see, you get. What is your delta SPY weighted deltas? You don't have them there? Huh. Well, anyhow, times 50, you get 45, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
nine,
Mm-hmm.
but yeah. And then if you go to risk profile to curve and just look at those two, open just those two strikes, removed it to, yeah. And there you go. And then click on analysis and then again on analysis up there, because sometimes it gives you, yeah, there you go. You see that? You get a pretty straight line to the left, 1 for 1. And then to the right side, it's limited. But the thing is, it will lose money because there's Vega, it'll lose money if the VIX goes down, but not as fast. And it's not meant to be held on to, just if you anticipate. It's the same thing as with the short future, just with a
Mm-hmm.
limited upside.
Okay, I like it. I may have to write that into the plan, because I do like the thing that it's doing here, right? And it's different from the future, because the future looks like this, right?
Yeah, go straight down. Yeah.
Yeah. The only thing is, I do have positive deltas anyway, so I've got positive deltas, but
But you need negative deltas. You got positive deltas 470. What's the account size here roughly?
what is it, 200,000 or so? Let's see, 280.
So 280. So you're
Mm-hmm.
positive. So 10 would be 280, and then two. So you're not overly positive in delta. So you don't really
No,
need a negative delta at the moment. But
right.
if you were to need it, that would be
Yeah, I like that.
nice.
So what made
Yeah.
you start doing that, Victor? That's interesting.
Well, I was just playing around, and actually I saw this one from what's his name, Tony, and then I played around a little bit to see how it would work for me. Because sometimes I want to put a negative delta trade on when I go close to maybe 0.35 or zero point 0.4 of the portfolio size. So I
Mm-hmm.
want to put something temporary negative just in case if it continues to go down. But then again, I don't want to lose if market turns around and starts going back up. So I was doing my hedge on demand. You familiar with that one?
Yes,
But
yes.
that one has a problem that it starts losing money on theta, because your long strike is out of the money. Here, your long strike is basically not long strike, but you start making money right at the short strike at the money.
Mm-hmm.
So this one is better because if the market drops down, let's say 100 points and just stays there, well, you don't lose that profit. It stays there for a while. But if I have my hedge on demand, which is a PDS further down to the left, then if the market drops down a little bit and it stays there, wiggles around over time, that will lose value because it's out of the money.
Good, 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 good. I like that. And that's a good thing about our group, y'all. We got people like Victor here that always brings up good information. He's always thinking outside the box, so he's a very valuable asset to us. And he does his own videos. And you should. How can they find your videos, Victor?
It's on steady income trading on YouTube is my channel. So,
Yeah, steady
or
income
in my
trading.
room,
So
you
check it
can,
out.
if you go into my room on your on your Discord,
Yeah.
you'll find some videos.
All right. So DB says, can someone point me to resources to understand span margin? I keep getting small charges like 75 cents today, but account says I have over 70,000 maintenance excess. I'm confused. And then we figure out that this is where we click to see if we've got something here. Here's our cash, our settled cash to make sure that we're not paying anything. I'm not exactly sure where you can go there. Yeah, the negative theta is from the long hedges, and Bertino is telling us that those are fake. Where do you cover your short ES? You mean my short MES that I just put on? Where do I cover it? I'll cover it when my deltas get back in line. That's when I'll cover it. So right now, my deltas are a little, little up, and we're pretending that this is negative theta from we're not pretending, it's from the hedges. So at some point we got to
Well,
say, yeah.
Bobby, I just maybe want to point out when you say fake, I think what he means to say is they're not fake per se. They're fake so long as you end up selling as many short ones as you need to cover for those over time. So over
Mm,
time, it shows real data getting out, but it's meant to be replaced with some positive delta from your shorts. But if you end up not being able to put on as many shorts as you need for the campaign, then the data will have been real because you will have lost money on the long ones, right?
right, right. Yeah. Okay. So today, y'all, I'm not certain that I want to put on a trade. I mean, I think we're going to wait till Thursday to put on a trade. Now, let's see what my position sizing is now. Remember, now we're putting on 1.5 per week. Now that we're at 280,000, so I think we'll just wait until Thursday and put it on. All we did today is reduced our delta. That's what we did. We reduced our delta, and of course, we can look at what Victor said is the zebra zero extrinsic back ratio spread to do that, and that's certainly a one way to do it as well. All right. Any other questions on anything? I think I just reduced my deltas. I think I'll hold in here till we get to Thursday or Friday. We'll trade this account. Yeah, we'll trade this account on Friday. So y'all don't panic. No one panic. The market's going down. This is what we want to happen. We just want it to go gradually, and that's what it looks like it's doing. Go gradual, and we're going to where this profit year to date is definitely going to bump up some back where it was. We've not taken a loss on any trade. And what you can do if you want to make yourself look better, feel better, is go to the trade tab. We did this yesterday, and look at where your positions are. So let's see. We have positions at, this is the working order. Let me clear that gone. So I don't have anything close. Oh, this is MES. Let's go to ES and see where our 111s are. Let's go. We've got some in 2-day. Let's see what we've got in the 2-day. Probably some put debit spreads. Hey, do we have some? Seriously, we had some in the money, but don't look like 45.50, 44.500. See what else we got. We don't have any. We got 20 long puts there. We got 15 long puts there, 8 long puts there. So nothing to manage there at the 2-day, right? We've got some 13 days. Let's see what we got here. Still no put debit spreads in the money. There's a 1 put debit spread. There's another put debit spread. And no naked puts down there. Good. So there's nothing to manage there. Let's go to, let's see, we went to 13 days. Let's go to 23 days. See, we haven't even hit profits of our put debit spreads yet, y'all. Let's just see what we got down here. And there's a hedge. Okay. So those will close at 20 cents at some point and leave us with the longs. So nothing at this 23 days or 30 days. 30 days. Let's see what we got 30 days. Put debit spreads. Put debit spreads. Anything naked down here? Doesn't look like it. Looks like we've closed everything. Okay, so we've checked all the way down to 30 days. Let's go one more. 44 days. We've got positions here. No put debit spreads are in the money. Let's find our put debit spreads. There's 4. God, this is fun. I hope y'all love this. Look at these hedges. Look at those. 15, 25, 3, 5. We have no puts naked there. Let's do one more. So we did 44. Let's do 64. See what's at 64. There's a put debit spread. Hey, that's getting close to being in the money, right? I mean, it's close. Not that close, but it's close. And then let's see what we got. 4, -9. I don't know what these are. Oh, this is a hedge. Must be 112. That's what that is, a 112. So yeah, everything looks really, really, really good. I don't see any problem, anything out 64 days.
Hey Bobby, how come
Yeah,
that
hey,
hedge
Al.
doesn't have a good till cancel to complete the hedge?
Let's see, did it not?
Didn't see
65.
a position there.
And there's a put debit spread. This is not a hedge. This is that's 112.
Oh, I see it up there. It's sitting over there on
Yeah.
the right.
Yeah, so here we got it going here. Yeah. Yeah. And that's out 64 days. So everything looks really good, y'all. I mean, we have taken some hits. And what you'll find, and y'all hang with me on this. What you're going to find is there are going to be people that have said, "Oh God, we're down $4,000. I'm going to close this. 112 is the stupidest thing that we've ever done." And here's where they're at right here. They're right here going, "Oh God, we take $6,000 in loss." And you just looked at my positions and everything's perfectly safe. I mean, there's nothing that needs to be changed, and theta will come out at some point, and we're going to make that money back. I mean, we're up what, $874 today, up 210 in the other one. We're fine. Just hang in. All right, guys, good session. No one panic. Everybody stay good, and I will see everybody tomorrow. Bye, y'all.